Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over brush knee left. So as a reminder, I don't do the whole Tai Chi form. Instead, I just break down each little piece and then show you the transitions, and then you can come to class and we will do it together. So during our last tutorial video, we went over extend and play guitar, and we showed how we transitioned to that from the previous movement. Today we're going to be going over brush knee left. So brush knee left, always we're going to have our feet shoulder width apart. And I'm just going to show it to you what it looks like without pausing or stopping and how it looks in the form. Except this is not the direction we do it in the form. I'll get to that in just a moment. So you weight left. Okay, so that's brush knee left. Let's break that down. All right, so just so you know where we were, we had done brush knee left, extend, we came back down, heels in a line, play guitar, reeling silk, and one more time we came back to here, extend, line up the toes, play guitar, reel silk, and here's where we left off. So here's this brush knee. We have traveled from here, back here, and we do our final brush knee. So that's going to be a short video because you've already done this in 1-8. So we've done that to the side. Let me show you what it looks like to the front. We've just come to our last pulling back after we've done plays guitar, reeling silk. We've stepped over, brush knee left. I did this in 1-8, but as a reminder, the front knee is straight, the back knee is bent, okay? Knee over the toe, left hand is over the thigh. I'm on the green line, my heel intersects here with the yellow and the green. My back foot is at a 45 on the intersection of this yellow and green. My right hand is in front of my shoulder, here and here. I haven't moved my arm. Elbow is on the two knuckles, first two knuckles. Left hand comes down. And notice hands, arms didn't move. I just bent knee, straight knee. Now, bending this knee and straightening that one. As I turn my shoulders, you can see my left shoulder marking there, and now you can't. And all of that happens together with the breath. Breath in, breath out. No matter where you are in the form, this is where you're breathing in, you're pulling in, and as I expand forward, that's when I exhale. Expanding, exhaling. All right, brush knee left. We just finished our last one. You'll be able to better see the straightening and the bending. Right here, we did our last play guitar, reeling silk, touch and touch on the fingertips. Notice the position of the arm, it's not pointed up, it's out. Setting the foot out, watch my hands not move. Right knee is bent, left knee is straight. Left knee is bending, right knee is straightening as I rotate my body. Brush knee left. I'm above my thigh. This hand is in front of my shoulder. And I'm on the yellow line here, 45 degree at the intersection of these two vertical and horizontal green pieces of tape. Now we'll do it from the back. Got my foot, I'll put it back here. There'd be a 45 degree if there was two lines there. We just finished the play guitar, and then the reeling silk, and then pulling and touching the toe as the elbow touches the fingertips. Notice the angle of the hand? No. Yes. Stepping out on this straight line here. Knee over the toe, left hand. Notice the bending, straight leg, bending of the knee. Brush knee left. All right. So that was a pretty quick lesson because we've already addressed brush knee left in 1-8. So next tutorial, we'll be going over parry, deflect, and strike, and that will be 1-11. Until next time, have a wonderfully Zen day.